and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, bringing you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every week. If you're new here, just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. As predicted in our last video, this week, Chinese steel prices are still falling, downstream demand is still deserted, and market sentiment is still bearish. The current market situation can be reflected into two key data released this week. First, according to the data released by China Official Statistical Agency (NBS), in October, the manufacturing PMI slipped to 49.2, which is the lowest level in nearly 3 months. And when it comes to China's property market, in September, the growth rate of new construction area was also at a low level in recent years, which also suppressed the market demand. So this week, in the Shanghai spot market, China's national rebar and hot rolled coil both fell by more than 100 yuan per ton. And in the futures market, the most active rebar on the Shanghai Futures Exchange also fell by 98 yuan per ton. China's main export steel products also continue to decline more sharply. Up to Thursday, hot rolled coil export prices was generally traded at $520 to $530 per ton FOB. Next, let's take a quick look at China's steel supply and demand conditions. This week, both production and inventories fell significantly as most Chinese steel mills reduced their production due to the continued profit loss. However, we have to admit that the weak demand situation has not improved. So what will happen to the steel market next week? From CUMIC's point of view, prices may maintain a downward trend next week. Although Chinese mills are inclined to cut output due to profit loss, the current high supply pressures may ease. However, when it comes to demand side, it may be difficult to improve. So the steel market will remain weak in the short term. In addition, although the Fed hinted that the pace of interest rate hikes may be slowed in December, the endpoint of interest rates may be higher than market expectations, which also caused market to be bearish. Well, do you think Chinese steel market will continue to weaken next week? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.